Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today I'm excited to be partnering with Doral Living to decorate this space in the barn for spring and summer. Doral gifted us these chairs and this end table, and today I'm going to turn this space into a beautiful little nook. Let's get started. So for this little space in the barn, I've been really inspired by yellows, greens, and natural colors. I can't wait to show you what we're going to create today. Starting with the chairs themselves, I added this chunky mustard blanket because spring and even early summer can still be pretty cool in Michigan. Then I added these two pillows that will soon be in our online store. For the walls, I was lucky to find these sketched prints of sunflowers. I love that someone actually drew these and how they complement the space. We've had a problem getting them to lay flat, so I'm using painter's tape to secure them at the bottom. I hung my garden hats on the wall to balance out the space. I actually use these and I love that they can be decor too. I use this tall hutch to store towels and washcloths for friends and family that stay in this space, and then use the top shelf to highlight any seasonal decor. For the end table, I kept it simple with one of my favorite plants, a pillar candle, and a little plant spritzer. When decorating an end table like this, I usually like to decorate in threes. As for the other items, I brought in a picnic basket as an accent piece and then added some additional plants for the floor space. I cut these branches from a bush in the yard to bring some of the outside in. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching today, and thank you to Doral Living for providing the chairs and the end table for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you're following and subscribe to keep up with everything we're doing here at Sugar Maple Farmhouse.